Introduction to Programming. We're in Section 2, Expressing with Website Dev. During this section, we're going to be looking into World of Web Devs, basically an introduction to website development. Software time. Here, we're going to get the editor we're going to use for web development. Casting HTML5. We're going to dive a little bit into HTML5. We're going to forge CSS3. Basically, we're just going to learn about cascading style sheets. Sourcing pages. Creating multiple pages for our website. Splashing media. This is where we're going to insert videos, audio, and images. Magic linkage. Creating hyperlinks inside of our web app. World of Web Devs. Introduction to website development. To code is like art. It is appreciated from afar. Aubrey Love. Now, when looking at art, sometimes it is often best to stand back a little way just to admire its beauty. In today's world, website developers are amongst the rock stars for frontline development. This is because 90% of the company's presence is actually online. When you perform research on a company, do you go directly to them, or instead would you rather visit their website first? Does their site look appealing? Is it easy to interact with? Can you read everything easily? Are the pictures and other media aligned right? These are some of the questions that people will be thinking about when they look at your website. So it's a great concept and a great idea to start thinking about other websites just to get a feel for how they work and what they look like. HTML5 plus CSS3 equals one awesome website. Now, when we combine two or more services together in order to make something, it is often looking a little bit more amazing, and it even reacts better than just having everything on one page. HTML5. Here, this is Hypertext Markup Language, the 5th edition. This is the forefront coding language used in order to build up websites. Now, traditionally, HTML was the standard, and back in the 90s, everything looked very basic. Think of a black and white book, just words. And very few websites had pictures. Most of the time, there was no pictures at all in websites back in the 90s. Then we're moving on to CSS3. CSS actually stands for Cascading Style Sheets. And now, we're in the 3rd edition, the beta edition. And believe it or not, CSS3 is still in beta stage and probably will be until another programmer or scripter comes along with a better version of CSS. Now, this is going to help us enhance the visual effects of our HTML web page by using some back-end special effects. Extra resources. JavaScript is a great scripting language to use in order to handle advanced features such as hide and show, time and date fields, as well as masking input fields. PHP is a common choice for reading and writing information to and from a server database such as PostgreSQL, MySQL, NoSQL, etc., etc.